Here is the ultimate summer salad. Peaches. That's where it all starts. The peaches are so good right now. Do not miss out on this. So my friend Chef Maymay is showing how it's done Italian style. Thinly slice the peaches. And bonus points if you're able to put them into a pretty display, as you can see here. Now, we can't all be a hip, young, tattooed chef, but you can still use the elements of this salad to make a delicious meal. Now, what's a nice contrast with the peaches is something bitter. So I like to do peaches, arugula with radicchio. He makes it look a little prettier than mine, which I will show you later. But nonetheless, this is so great for a summer evening with a rosé. Rosé and peach. Look at that. Look at that. Can't do that. Okay. So for us mere mortals who do not know how to make peaches look like a rose, it's still a worthwhile endeavor. You can make this little stream of peaches, throw in the arugula. Now for this one, I had bought like a firmer mozzarella, which is what I would prefer. So you do the chunks of peaches. Now do the slice of radicchio. Put it in there. So you've got the sweet, you've got the bitter, like life. And then comes the mozzarella. So this is an American mozzarella, which is a firmer, chunkier. So he's putting the chunks in. And you don't need to add any dressing to this. But here's what I did later when it was just me at home. I had a burrata that my boyfriend had bought. So this is a mushier kind. So the way you deal with that is put it right in the radicchio. You could actually even have the radicchio almost act as like a little plate, so to speak. But it's just another way to display it. So I know how to slice it thin. There we go. I can do a little bit of tricks. Can't do the rose yet. Put the peaches on top of the burrata, which is in the radicchio. And then I got a little bit of basil from my garden. Slice that up. And I mix that up in a bowl with just the tiniest bit of olive oil and a little bit of kosher salt. All right, here comes the arugula. So it's all the same elements, put a little bit of that olive oil and basil. And now I'm worried that does that look slightly obscene? I didn't mean it to be. Get out the rosé and happy summer. A perfect bite.